Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the simple yet essential process of creating an operating agreement for your business. Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the simple yet essential process of creating an operating agreement for your business. An operating agreement is a key document that outlines the ownership, management structure, and operating procedures of a company. Whether you're starting a new business or formalizing an existing one, having a clear operating agreement helps prevent misunderstandings and protects all members involved. Let's walk through the process step by step to make it easy and straightforward. Step 1. Understand the purpose before drafting your operating agreement. Grasp why it matters. It defines who owns the company, each member's rights and responsibilities, how decisions are made, how profits and losses are shared, and what happens if a member leaves. This foundation supports smooth business operations and legal protection. Step 2. Identify the members. List every member or owner involved in the business. Specify their ownership percentage or interest in the company. This clarity helps allocate profit shares and voting power clearly from the start. Step 3. Define management structure. Decide how the business will be managed. Will it be member-managed, where all owners participate in daily decisions, or manager-managed, where one or more managers run operations? Be sure to spell out responsibilities and decision-making authority. Step 4. Outline voting and decision-making rules. Establish how members will vote on important issues. Will each member have equal votes, or will votes be weighted based on ownership? Clarify what types of decisions need a majority, supermajority, or unanimous consent. Step 5. Set profit and loss distribution. Determine how profits and losses will be shared among members. This usually aligns with ownership percentages, but can be customized. Clear financial terms prevent disputes and promote transparency. Step 6. Include rules for adding or removing members. Explain the process for admitting new members or handling departures. Define whether approval is needed and how ownership interests will be transferred or bought out. Step 7. Address what happens if the business ends. Describe procedures for dissolving the company. Include how assets will be distributed and how final obligations will be settled. Step 8. Legal formalities. Consider consulting a legal professional to review your agreement. Make sure it complies with your state's regulations and filing requirements. Once finalized, have all members sign the document to make it official. Creating an operating agreement may seem complex, but by breaking it down into these manageable steps, you can create a document that will protect your business and foster cooperation among members. Start with knowing your company's unique needs and clearly lay out the rules everyone agrees to follow. Thank you for reading this detailed guide on crafting your operating agreement. Make sure not to forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more insightful business tips and tutorials.